Mom of three beautiful girls that is expecting her fourth child. Today we are having palm oil rice. My fellow pregnant mama will understand what I mean. And of course, this is what baby say he wants to eat. Less than 1,000 naira, this rice was good to go. Of course, we garnish it with small egg because we need protein. I beg, make una ask my third daughter what is she staring at. She said, "Mommy, this rice is looking yummy. Hope it will be very sweet." I said, "Don't worry, you're gonna love it." Pregnant mama, start coming. Our favorite is radio.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Thank God.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Thank God for this leftover. I had to add water to the vegetable stew because it would not be enough. The rice was plenty but the stew was small, so adding water was the only option I had. But wait, so with this rice, go with this stew because the stew seemed to be very, very small. Let's see how it goes. First of all, I had to dish from my kids. And all I was saying in my heart, may this stew be enough for this rice. So, and as you can see from the video, that this stew is no longer vegetable stew but vegetable pepper soup stew. I was left with only 2 proteins, so one will go for my 3 daughters while one will go for me. Of course, they will have to share amongst them. After all, there's love in sharing. Look at me working my own. My dear ladies and gentlemen, all pregnant mommy, please come over because he is about to go down. It is really yummy though. Mom of 3 beautiful girls that is expecting her 4th child. On this day, my girl say, "Mommy, we want to take pap." I say, "Okay, let's see what we can do." So I have to mix the account to make sure everything give me this consistency, because you know one thing with pap, if you don't mix it well, it will disappoint you. So I have to divide it in 2 separate plates because if I should make it in one plate, it won't give me water. At this point, we are done with the first and this is the second plate. Breakfast with us. What a combination. Bread and pap. This is my kids' choice. So even though I wanted them to take it with akara, with bread, and they said, "No, we want only bread." I searched akara, I didn't see. I said, "Okay, thank God for you guys. It's your luck. Eat it for today." Let's make sharp ogbono soup for the family. Inside this pot, we have our chicken, we have a stockfish already boiling together, and of course, we added our palm oil, allow it to boil together, then add our ogbono because we blended the ogbono with crayfish. After that, you have to give it a stir, allow it to cook, and of course you have to allow the ogbono cook. Now it's very important. Then we added our Ghana fresh pepper, Ghana black pepper. For those of you that know the pepper has this nice fragrance and it has a good aroma. In fact, whatever. Anyways, so this is the fish we'll be using. We added just this fish because of its taste, and this is our veggies for today. Bitter leaf. You can use any veggies of your choice. Now at this point, we added our salt, our seasoning cube, stir, and of course it is good to go. Start getting your pando because it's about to go down. Start coming because no time to waste now. Hey besties, what are you having for your dinner? Dinner is ready. We have ogbono soup and we have corn and cassava flour fufu. Start coming over. It's about to go down. Mom of 3 girls that's expecting her 4th child. On this day, we are having leftover fufu and ogbono soup. Of course, that is exactly what baby said I should eat. And of course, I'm enjoying it. If you can, come and enjoy it because it is really yummy. I'm enjoying it. Come over, pregnant mamas.
Me.
Oh yeah, pick one.
Me first. Please first. Me first.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Pick one. All of them are equal. They are all laps.
We rise
Collect one, Biko.
tall buildings as the chemicals
Yeah, I'm trying to pick your own. I leave that one for her. Leave it. It's all the same now.
She puts her hand in mine.
Who called that one? Who will use it?
We wanna
If I'll give it, I'm beating myself.
wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts
Yes, she is.
running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Everybody should go and sit down one place.
We're gonna be
Oh, let me see.
two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.
take it 150. You just say.
Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Mom of 3 beautiful girls that is expecting her first child. After cooking, I had to dish this portion of food for myself. But do you know what? I could not eat 3 spoons out from it. Tell me why. This thing always happened to me. Am I the only one that this thing happened to? NEPA is just doing us anyhow. Imagine after cooking, you can't sit down and eat in peace. At this point, my girls had to run outside because the heat inside was just too much. They said, "Mommy, please, let's eat outside." I said, "My dear, go outside, go and collect fresh air." And they were so excited because imagine eating hot rice under hot weather. How the thing go take enter? They were so happy eating outside. My dear, fresh air is sweet. Oh, my dear, how is NEPA like dealing with?